Max from Max Capital here, a channel where we discuss technical analysis, trading strategies, and different approaches. I'm about to show you one of the most effective trading strategies on this channel. It will be on the 5-minute time frame. It is super easy to follow, can be used on every market, and most importantly, it will make you a lot of money. I've been recently using this and it works effectively in a bear market, so this means I will be showing you how to use this strategy on the sell side. I still have not yet finished testing the long strategy as markets have been red and brutal. If this video gets 100 likes, I will release my 100 trades video and the results are shocking. Part 1 of the video will consist of me explaining how to use the strategy in the market and what criteria we are looking for in order to enter a trade position. If this strategy interests you and you want to further deepen your knowledge, part 2 of the video will explain how to set up your trading view exactly to copy what you will see presented in the video. Okay, so let's get right into the strategy. So right here, basically I'm going to be telling you guys the criteria when to enter a trade. So basically right here, I'm in the bar replay and I'm just going to be showing an example here. So as we can see that Bitcoin has been kind of rallying for the last bit of time period. We're on the 5-minute time frame, by the way, so it's been about 6% and not really a long period amount of time. So basically this is where I start to kind of want to pay attention and enter this kind of trade. So basically here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna forward here, forward here, forward here, forward here, forward here. Okay, so basically we're starting to see the pink line. So basically this pinkish reddish line means that it's going to be going in a downtrend soon. If we look over here, the buyer strength is still here, so I wouldn't enter it yet, and the sales strength is 48%. So this is just something to consider before entering the trade, and we're going to keep going and see where this goes. Just going to forward here. Let's see, keep going. Okay, so right over here is an important spot to kind of pay attention. Remember, we are at seller strength at 45%, it's already at 47%. And with these bullish candles, we can already start to pay attention that this is going to be in a downtrend. I wouldn't enter this yet just because on this, we're going to see where this goes and then we're going to kind of play it out from there. Okay, so right here is starting to where I'm kind of getting confirmation is we're already here at 48% seller strength. We're getting some kind of rejection here. So basically for what you want to enter this is we kind of want this to be red. We want the candle to close below and we want this to bounce down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably enter a short right over here. We're going to target around 3% and we're going to see where this happens. Okay, so I haven't entered the trade yet. I'm actually going to use a different indicator just so I could show you guys my risk to reward ratio. So we're going to enter a short position right over here. I'm going to set the stop loss just over here. If it breaks out, we're going to take our loss. If not, then we're going to do this. And let's target a 3-to-1 risk to reward. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to minimize this and ready, we're going to keep going. So basically, I'm just going to pause the video and comment over here. So basically right over here, I would get that kind of final confirmation. It looks like it's retesting and it's just going to collapse now. So this gives me final confirmation. By seller strength is 49%. It was earlier 45%, so it jumped already 4%, and it looks like it's going to be picking up here. So it looks like we're going to be entering the trade soon, and we're going to see where that goes. Okay, so this is going to be part 2 of the video. So I'm just going to show you guys how to set this up on TradingView. So basically once you open a fresh new layout, you're just going to open up the indicators tab, and the first one you're going to write AK MACD, and we're going to use this one over here. So like click that. So you're just going to click that. I'm going to go back into full screen. So once we've clicked that one, we're going to go into this one here. We're just going to double click, and we're basically going to remove the bar color here. And that's basically it for that. We're gonna X that. So that's the first one. And the next indicator, we're gonna use the SSL hybrid. And then just the last one we're gonna add here, we're gonna write volume strength finder, this one over here. And we're going to go into that SSL hybrid, and we're going to remove everything here accept that, and the bar color. And then just some things we're gonna change up here is we're gonna change this to 30 and EMA. Perfect, and we're gonna hit OK. Double click this one and bar color. That's basically it. So that's basically how you set up this indicator. If you have any questions below, make sure to comment down below. I will be doing this test 100 times if this video gets 100 likes, so I do highly recommend using this strategy in a bear market. So let me know what you guys think of this video, and subscribe. Thank you.